guys, it's your boy Lois in the building. Hey man, today this is gonna be a short, simple video. I got a package, um, sometimes you gotta do things that you gotta do. Yes, I just came back from work. I am tired. I am extremely tired. For the guys that don't know, and the females that don't know, I do landscape for a living, which is pause. Let's just say, it's just not what I want to do in life. But today, I'm unboxing my little something I ordered online, which I was wanting for a little minute. And so yes, I got a Civic, which I'm working on, which you should stay tuned for that, because I am doing an upgrade when it comes to suspension, because you ugly. Yeah, let's just say I'm finna upgrade my suspension, because I am running True Heart coilovers and I totally hate them. People have said, nah, True Hearts are good because they're coilovers. Excuse my hands, they're a little dirty, but I don't know, I just don't like it. I don't know, the ride quality sucks. All my shocks from the coilovers, they're dead. It hasn't even been a whole year. And then people told me to just send them back. I'm like, ain't no point. I might as well just upgrade. So maybe today or tomorrow I'm finna drop the cash on the suspension. But today I got this. Ice. So yeah. My interior, I am decorating it with I said decorating, customizing it from the stock black color to some red, just to make a little bit more racing, if you want to say, or etc., whatever you want to call it. But yeah. Yeah, so I am changing it to bride, or giving it a little different taste with bride. Look at this thing, this beautiful. I don't know if you can see, but it has like carbon fiber all around. I don't know, it might be a little bit too dark for you to see, but I like it. And then when you order the piece, it comes with its universal screws, so you can screw it to your shifter. I'm thinking my shifter is gonna be this one. Hopefully you work. If not, your mom's
Oh my God!
I'm just kidding. But anyway, so yeah, hopefully between today or tomorrow, I get the suspension, which, pay for the suspension, and then of course I'm gonna order it, so it's gonna take me a little bit of time. But yeah, oh, we got some bald letters. That's nice. But yeah, it's gonna take me a little bit of time for me to get all these things ready, so then I can get my car. Yes, I need a light there. So, but I want to get my shit together as fast as possible. So yeah, if y'all want to stay tuned for the little installing, that can, go ahead and stay with me. If not, go watch another one of my videos and tell one of your friends to subscribe to my channel because I need subs. So make sure you tell them folks that I need to get subscribers so then I can start getting paid because this shit is not free. Alright. So here we go, guys. Welcome back to my car. You're supposed to find a piece that does fit to your shifter. Of course, I had shown you in the other clip, but you're supposed to screw one of these pieces in here and then find the right one that does fit your shifter thread. So this, I'm gonna put it all the way down and then start screwing this in here. Of course, you want it centered so to where you can see it. So then after this, you're supposed to tighten this little nut onto the shifter, which I had previously moved. I don't know if you can see, but it's this nut right here. It should be a 13 or 14, I believe, but mine's already tight enough to where I don't have to adjust. Yes, my car is dirty, so don't get on my ass for that. But yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it. I kind of like it. I don't know, maybe I just have to get used to it. I should have went with a black, maybe. I'm not sure, but it does match my car color, so that's actually pretty decent. And it's actually pretty comfortable too. Like, seriously, it's pretty comfortable. It's not the best shifter. I mean, it's not the best shift knob that it's on the market, but I like it. So maybe it's just to you guys preference, but I like it so far. So yeah, like I had mentioned, this is a short video because I don't have anything for you guys at the moment. But like I was saying earlier, stay tuned for the suspension upgrade, which I will be dropping a video on it. But in the meantime, go ahead and click on my other videos. If you guys are new, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications, and also subscribe. I mean, I think I already said subscribe. Dumbass. But yeah, if you haven't done so, go ahead and subscribe. Support the channel, because none of these things are cheap. Yeah. Oh, they're not cheap, but you got a Honda. Everything costs money. Not everybody is rich enough for everything to be very accessible. You know, some people gotta work. Some people don't have the time to post videos like most of these YouTubers do, and they get paid because of that. But with you guys' help, I can afford some of these things. So get me to 1,000 subscribers and watch how I get all these things, make the car nice. I also want to do giveaways as well, but you guys gotta support me first, because without me having the opportunity to do or give you things, I need to be supported first, because it wouldn't be nice for me to not be supported and then y'all still want to, you know, get things and stuff, and then I don't see how that's a winning, you know, winning. Yeah. I don't know how how should I say it? I forgot the word. Y'all know what I mean. But yeah. I guess this is the end of the video. Like I said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. And I'll see you guys when I'll see you guys. Peace.